Hello guys! Today we're going to learn how to cook meals when camping. First of all, take the ingredients. Second of all, fire the coal. Okay, we're going to use 1 onion, 2 potatoes, and 1 can of beans. Chop potatoes and boil them for 15 to 20 minutes. Chop the onion, add it in, and then chop sausages and put it aside. Boil everything and add salt and pepper. Drain the water, mix it all, and finally you get the best food when camping. Bye.